Imagine looking up at the moon and seeing a fresh massive crater from Earth. A crater caused by a 67-meter wide asteroid slamming into at 38,000 miles per hour. Not in a scientific movie, but in a real life. And it could happen in 2032. NASA just released new data on asteroid 2024 YR4. And while Earth is safe, the moon might not be. This might be your only chance to witness a real cosmic impact in your lifetimes. So what exactly is going on? What happens if it strikes? And why are scientists calling it a once-in-a-century opportunity? Hey space explorers, welcome back to our channel. And today we are diving deep into potential moon impact that could rewrite lunar science. This isn't just about an asteroid, this is about what could be the most important lunar events in decades. And it's all backed by a real-time data from NASA and the James Webb Space Telescope. Asteroid 2024 YR4 was discovered in December 2024 by astronomers using the Pan-STARRS Observatory in Hawaii. At first, it didn't look like anything special, another near-Earth object passing by, but just days later, orbital stimulation showed something surprising. There was a small but non-zero chance that the asteroid could strike Earth or the Moon. What sets off alarms was its size and velocity. Estimated to be between 53 to 67 meters in diameter, it's big enough to wipe out a city on Earth. Think of the Chelyabinsk asteroid, but 10 times stronger. Initially, the probability of an Earth impact was 3.1% by December 2032, but the number would soon change. After its discovery, NASA quickly mobilized high-precision instruments, including the James Webb Space Telescope, to get a better idea. Over the next few weeks, astronomers recalculated the trajectory using refined orbital elements. The result: Earth is officially safe. The impact probably dropped to zero. But here's where things get fascinating. The updated data also revealed something unexpected. The asteroid's new trajectory slightly increased the chances of it striking the moon. According to the NASA's latest update in April 2025, there is now 3.8% chance that the asteroid 2024 YR4 could collide with the moon on December 22, 2032. That may not sound like a lot, but it's actually significant in astronomical terms. Most asteroids either miss or get deflected, but a 3.8% lunar impact chance is enough to trigger global scientific preparation. Space agencies are already planning to closely monitor the moon during this time frame. And if the impact does happen, it could be visible from Earth through telescopes or even possibly with a naked eye under the right conditions. So let's imagine the impact. Asteroid 2024 YR4 slams into the moon at roughly 38,000 miles per hour. The force equivalent to 5.2 megatons of TNT, several hundred times stronger than the Hiroshima bomb. A new crater would be born, anywhere from 500 to 1000 meters wide. Lunar dust would be ejected miles into space. Depending on the angle of the impact, some of that debris could even escape the moon's gravity and drift toward Earth, burning up harmlessly in our atmosphere, but possibly creating a mini meteor shower. We might even witness the event in real time via live satellite feed. Imagine NASA broadcasting a live moon strike to the world. This would be historic. No, let's clarify that. The asteroid is not large enough to alter the moon's orbit or its gravitational effect on Earth. It's not going to shift tides or send the moon spiraling, but it would provide scientists with invaluable data. An actual impact gives us a perfect natural experiment in Carter physics, subsurface lunar composition, and even seismic wave propagation across the moon's crust. Lunar landers like Artemis missions or robotic probes could be positioned near the impact zone for research. We have never witnessed a confirmed large asteroid impact on the moon in real time, but we have evidence of past ones. Those massive craters you see on the lunar surface, many were caused by similar sized or larger asteroids billions of years ago. One comparable case is the Giordano Bruno crater, which may have been created by an impact in the year 1178 AD, possibly witnessed by English monks, but even that remains debated. With 2024 YR4, we have modern tools, satellites, and high-speed telescopes ready to confirm every detail. NASA, ESA, and even private space agencies are collaborating to refine 2024 YR4's orbit even further. More telescopic observations will be made in the coming months as it approaches. Radar imaging, trajectory mapping, and simulation models are being run constantly. There is also a discussion of positioning future lunar probes to observe or even respond to the impact. Some scientists are pushing for CubeSats or lunar orbiters to be in a place before 2032. to collect high-resolution data and even samples post-impact. This isn't just a cool visual event, it could shift how we understand lunar geology, asteroid defense, and future colonization strategies. If we want to build bases on the moon, understanding impact risks become crucial. Plus, this event might drive new public interest and funding into space research. Also, seeing a real natural impact unfold helps the public grasp what planetary defense actually looks like. It makes the threat and the science very real. So to recap, Asteroid 2024 YR4 is real, it's huge, and while Earth is safe, the moon has a small but real chance of being struck in December 2032. If it happens, it would be one of the most awe-inspiring events in modern astronomy, and we might all get to witness it. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to like, subscribe and share, because the more people who understand space, the better prepared we all are. Until next time, keep looking up and I'll meet you in the next video.